Atma Namaskar. The highest in me was the highest in you. May this day the happiest day for everyone in this world. My respected friends, today we are going to discuss about Sudarsana Prayoga. The Sudarsana Chakram, the word, the Sudarsana Chakram, if we hear, we remember Mahavishnu's, the divine Astra, means weapon. The Sudarsana Chakram mantram keep reciting by many people to safeguard them, to protect themselves, and to remove all ill health, poverty, bad evils, bad energies. It is practiced in our Hindu Sanatana Dharma. The Sudarsana mantram is so powerful. Let me explain what the real literal meaning of Sudarsanam. The Su means good, auspicious. Darsanam means vision. The mantra, the weapon, the soul, the God who can give the good vision or auspicious vision is Sudarsana. My respected friends, we have to see the depth, in depth, the real meaning of this mantra. Here, one who can eradicate his ill health, that is disease, one who can eradicate his poverty, one who can protect himself from the bad energy, only possessing the good energy, can only have good vision or auspicious vision. The real meaning of Sudarsana Chakra mantram is, it will eradicate the bad qualities, bad energies, ill health, poverty. Ultimately, it will give you the good vision, because one who can see or one who can feel the goodness, only if he possesses all the good qualities, all the good things, all the good energies, then only one individual can see everything good, can see everybody as good. So, this Sudarsana Chakra mantram, the Sudarsana Chakra Prayogam will make man happy, peaceful, blissful, absolute, divine. I always say that one who can enjoy Anandam, Arogyam, Aishwaryam, Atma Jnanam, he can align to divinity, attain divinity. Let me explain few stories how Sudarsana Alvar or Sudarsana Chakram evolved. According to Valmiki Ramayanam, Purushottama, Mahavishnu killed Dhanava, Hayagriva, means the Hayagriva demon, at the top of the mountain called Chakravana. The Chakravana is the mountain, and very great buildings were there, which was built by Vishwakarma. After killing the demon, Mahavishnu took Sudarsana Chakram from Chakravana, the demon. Thus, the story was explained in Valmiki Ramayana. There was another story in Puranas. Vishwakarma has a child, Sanjana. Sanjana was married with Surya Bhagavan. The Sanjana, the daughter, Vishwakarma's daughter Sanjana, unable to go nearer to the Surya Bhagavan because of very great heat and very great radiance. The same problem was explained to Vishwakarma. Then Vishwakarma plugged some spikes of Surya Bhagavan. Thus, some of the star dust was evolved, was released from Surya Bhagavan. Vishwakarma, out of that star dust, he prepared 3 auspicious things. Number 1 is Trisula, which was given to Lord Shiva. Another is aerial vehicle called Pushpaka Vimanam. Another is aerial vehicle called Pushpaka Vimanam. And the third one is Sudarsana Chakram, which now we are discussing with. This is one more story explained in our Puranas. Let me explain about the third story in Shiva Purana. Once, Swargalokam king Indra Bhagavan visited Kailash. That time, Lord Shiva wants to test Indra Bhagavan. Immediately, Indra Bhagavan was stopped to enter into Kailash by a gateman, Dwarapalaka. Here, Lord Shiva himself attained the form of Dwarapalaka, stopped the Indra Bhagavan. Even highest great attempts was made by Indra Bhagavan, but Dwarapalaka didn't allow Indra Bhagavan into the Kailash. Immediately Indra Bhagavan got angry, took his Vajrayudham, his weapon, took his Vajrayudham to fight against Dwarapalaka, who is none other than Shiva. That time, the Shiva got angry. Immediately he opened his third eye. The ferocious fire from the third eye evolved, released to smash away Indra Bhagavan. That time, immediately Indra Bhagavan understood that Dwarapalaka is none other than Shiva. He understood the situation. He catch hold of the feet of Lord Shiva. You know better. Lord Shiva is absolutely divine, heartful, divine God. Immediately Lord Shiva pacified himself, and as the ferocious fire released from third eye, this fire was diverted to ocean. Immediately the fire just fell down in the ocean. By mixing of fire and water, a new beautiful child evolved from that mixture of water and fire. You have to note it down. A life starts from the combination of fire and water. The ocean god Samudra Deva took care of that child and named him Jalandhar. He made a very great penance to Bhagavan, Brahma Bhagavan. Because of that, he got a boon that he lasts forever. He won't have death. Immediately he got pride, because he is the combination of Lord Shiva's ferocious fire and the combination of Samudra Deva, ocean god, water, and one more boon he got from Brahma. Because of that, he got pride. Immediately he behaved like a demon. He thought that he is more than Shiva, he is more than powerful than Shiva. Then he tried to attempted to capture Kailash. This news slowly spread to Kailash. Lord Shiva got angry, immediately entered to fire. So both of them ready to fight. That time Lord Shiva challenged Jalandhar by drawing a Sudarsana Chakram on the ground and given energy and life to that Sudarsana Chakram, and challenged Jalandhar, if he can pick or lift this Sudarsana Chakram, he can hand, the Lord Shiva can hand over Kailash to Jalandhar. Immediately Jalandhar attempted to lift that Sudarsana Chakram. The Sudarsana Chakram immediately cut Jalandhar into two pieces. His body absolutely smashed away, burned away. But as my respected friends, you know that Jalandhar got the boon from Brahman. Because of that, his life always exists. The life will not perish. That is why he didn't die, but he lost his body. After knowing the situation, Jalandhar catch hold of Lord Shiva. As usual, Lord Shiva pacified by the prayers of Jalandhar and requested him or directed him, instructed him to enter into Sudarsana Chakra. By this way, the Jalandhar means the soul who got the energy of ferocious fire of Lord Shiva, grace of Lord Shiva, ocean god's blessing, Brahma's boon, entered into the Sudarsana Chakram. Thus, the Sudarsana Alvar evolved. Then, now the question arises: who can catch hold of the Sudarsana Chakram? Because the Sudarsana Chakram got all the powers. The only God who has intention to protect this universe. Number one, the only soul who has good energy, divine energy, can catch hold of this Sudarsana Chakra. Again I repeat, my respected friend, the soul who has the power, good energy, divine energy, can catch hold of the Sudarsana Chakra. And the second qualification is one who has the intention, the divine intention to protect this universe can catch hold of the Sudarsana Chakra. Thus, all Devatas, Brahma, Maheshwara, selected Mahavishnu can catch hold because Mahavishnu has the quality of protecting this universe and having the good energy in the form of Mahalakshmi. This was gifted to Mahavishnu. Thus, Mahavishnu catch hold of Sudarsana Chakra. Like this, my respected friends, I explained the three stories in our Puranas, Valmiki, Ramayanam and Purana, and one more from Shiva Purana. Here, what we can understand by the essence of this story, this is very important because one Puranam says one more story, second Puranam says another different story. But what the subject we have to grasp. Here, the Sudarsana Chakram, the Sudarsana Mantram can make us to see everything good. One who want to see everything good, he has to possess good quality, wealth, health, happiness. Then only he can see good vision. He can have good vision. Number one. So the Sudarsana Chakram is very powerful. Then who can use this? Who can catch hold of this? Mahavishnu can catch hold of this. The story reveals this. The soul who has the divine intention to protect this universe, number one. Number two, who has the good energy can catch hold. My respected friends, if we have these two qualities within us, automatically we become Mahavishnu. We become the divine Mahavishnu because Aham Brahmasmi, Tattvamasi, I am Atmanam Brahma. In this way, by developing these two good qualities, we can catch hold of Sudarsana Chakram. When we catch hold of Sudarsana Chakram, automatically the divine blessings will shower on us. So like this, we have to proceed, and let me explain how to catch hold of Sudarsana Chakra and use a Sudarsana Mantra to smash away, to eradicate bad qualities, ill health, poverty, and have the good vision. Now, let me explain you the technique how to use Sudarsana Chakra. The technique is prepare Tirtha. Prepare a auspicious, energetic water. How to prepare it? Take little quantity of cardamom, little quantity of clove, little quantity of nutmeg powder. Nutmeg powder means jajikai powder. Number 4 is a little pachakarpura. Crush it. Then add tulasi powder. You can purchase this tulasi powder in Ayurvedic shop or native medical shop. Add this tulasi powder. Prepare this mixture. Prepare this mixture for 1 month. Now take a glass of water. Add this pinch of this mixture into this water. Slightly shake it. Now the technique starts. Sit comfortably with spine erect. Place this divine prepared tirtham, auspicious water, energetic water before you. Sit comfortably with spine erect. Relax yourself. Take the permission of mother and father, gurus of in this janma, previous janmas, your Ishta Devata, favorite deity, Kula Devata, family deity, and finally Grama Devata, village deity. Seek the permission of Lord Shiva, Brahma and Mahavishnu. Seek the permission of Sudarsana Alvar. Seek the permission of Panchabhutas and space. Catch hold of this Chin Mudra, Jnana Mudra. And now the technique is, we are going to use this ring finger. We are going to energize this water with the ring finger. Okay? Now take a glass of water which added with the mixture that cardamom, clove, nutmeg powder, pachakarpuram and tulsi powder. Keep this finger and energize this. Keep this finger and energize. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. By holding Chin Mudra, by dipping a ring finger into the water which added with the mixture and start chanting mantra. If you are unable to chant mantra, no problem. Listen to this mantra and energize this water. I request Lord Shiva Shivananda Paramahamsa Nityananda, all the holy siddhas, divine beings, Ishta Devata, Kula Devata, Grama Devata, Vamsa Devata, my parents, kindly give us permission to energize this water. I request Sudarsana Alvar, Mahavishnu, Lord Shiva, kindly energize this water with this mantra. Om Shrim Hrim Klim Krishnaya Govindaya Gopijana Vallabhaya Paraya Paramapurushaya Paramatmane Parakarma Mantra Yantra Tantra Aushadha Visha Abhichara Asta Sastra Samharaya Samharaya Mrityor Moshe Moshe Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarsanaya Om Prim Rim Rum Deepte Jwala Pritaya Sarva Dikshobhana Karaye Kumfat Parabrahmane Paranjyotiye Swaha Om Namo Bhagavate Sudarsanaya Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarsanaya Mahachakraya Mahajwalaya Sarva Roga Prasamanaya Karma Bandha Vimoshanaya Padadimastya Varyantam Vada Janita Rogan Pitta Janita Rogan Shleshma Janita Rogan Dhatu Sankali Koti Bhava Nana Vikara Rogan Nasaya Nasaya Prasamaya Prasamaya Arogyam Dehi Dehi Om Sahasrara Hum Fat Swaha 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 Om Shrim Hrim Klim Krishnaya Govindaya Gopijana Vallabhaya Paraya Paramapurushaya Paramatmane Parakarma Mantra Yantra Tantra Aushadha Visha Abhichara Asta Sastra Samharaya Samharaya Mrityor Moshe Moshe Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarsanaya Om Prim Rim Rum Deepte Jwala Pritaya Sarva Dikshobhana Karaye Kumfat Parabrahmane Paranjyotiye Swaha Om Namo Bhagavate Sudarsanaya Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarsanaya Mahachakraya Mahajwalaya Sarva Roga Prasamanaya Karma Bandha Vimoshanaya Padadimastya Varyantam Vada Janita Rogan Pitta Janita Rogan Shleshma Janita Rogan Dhatu Sankali Koti Bhava Nana Vikara Rogan Nasaya Nasaya Prasamaya Prasamaya Arogyam Dehi Dehi Om Sahasrara Hum Fat Swaha 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 Om Shrim Hrim Klim Krishnaya Govindaya Gopijana Vallabhaya Paraya Paramapurushaya Paramatmane Parakarma Mantra Yantra Tantra Aushadha Visha Abhichara Asta Sastra Samharaya Samharaya Mrityor Moshe Moshe Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarsanaya Om Prim Rim Rum Deepte दीप्ते ज्वालाप्रीतय सर्वदिक्षोभनकरये कुम्फट् परब्रह्मणे परज्योतिये स्वाहा। ओम नमो भगवते सुदर्शनाय, ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय महाचक्राय महाज्वालाय सर्वरोगप्रशमनाय कर्मबन्धविमोचनाय पादादिमस्तपर्यन्तं वादजनितरोगान् पित्तजनितरोगान् श्लेष्मजनितरोगान् धातुसङ्कलिकोटिभावनानाविकाररोगान् नाशय नाशय प्रशमय प्रशमय आरोग्यं देहि देहि। ओम सहस्रार हुं फट् स्वाहा, 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 ओम सहस्रार हुं फट् स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परकर्म मंत्र यंत्र तंत्र औषध विष अभिचार अस्त्र शस्त्र संहारय संहारय मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय। ओम प्रीं ह्रीं ह्रूं दीप्ते ज्वालाप्रीतय सर्वदिक्षोभनकरये कुम्फट् परब्रह्मणे परज्योतिये स्वाहा। ओम नमो भगवते सुदर्शनाय, ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय महाचक्राय महाज्वालाय सर्वरोगप्रशमनाय कर्मबन्धविमोचनाय पादादिमस्तपर्यन्तं वादजनितरोगान् पित्तजनितरोगान् श्लेष्मजनितरोगान् धातुसङ्कलिकोटिभावनानाविकाररोगान् नाशय नाशय प्रशमय प्रशमय आरोग्यं देहि देहि। ओम सहस्रार हुं फट् स्वाहा, 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 ओम सहस्रार हुं फट् स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परकर्म मंत्र यंत्र तंत्र औषध विष अभिचार अस्त्र शस्त्र संहारय संहारय मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय। ओम प्रीं ह्रीं ह्रूं दीप्ते ज्वालाप्रीतय सर्वदिक्षोभनकरये कुम्फट् परब्रह्मणे परज्योतिये स्वाहा। ओम नमो भगवते सुदर्शनाय, ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय महाचक्राय महाज्वालाय सर्वरोगप्रशमनाय कर्मबन्धविमोचनाय पादादिमस्तपर्यन्तं वादजनितरोगान् पित्तजनितरोगान् श्लेष्मजनितरोगान् धातुसङ्कलिकोटिभावनानाविकाररोगान् नाशय नाशय प्रशमय प्रशमय आरोग्यं देहि देहि। ओम सहस्रार हुं फट् स्वाहा, 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 ओम सहस्रार हुं फट् स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परकर्म मंत्र यंत्र तंत्र औषध विष अभिचार अस्त्र शस्त्र संहारय संहारय मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय। ओम प्रीं ह्रीं ह्रूं दीप्ते ज्वालाप्रीतय सर्वदिक्षोभनकरये कुम्फट् परब्रह्मणे परज्योतिये स्वाहा। ओम नमो भगवते सुदर्शनाय, ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय महाचक्राय महाज्वालाय सर्वरोगप्रशमनाय कर्मबन्धविमोचनाय पादादिमस्तपर्यन्तं वादजनितरोगान् पित्तजनितरोगान् श्लेष्मजनितरोगान् धातुसङ्कलिकोटिभावनानाविकाररोगान् नाशय नाशय प्रशमय प्रशमय आरोग्यं देहि देहि ॐ सहस्रार हुं फट् स्वाहा 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 ॐ सहस्रार हुं फट् स्वाहा. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Release the mudra. Take away your hand from the glass. Thanks to Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu. Thanks to Sudarshanarvar. Thanks to all my gurus in this Janma, in the previous Janma. Thanks to my parents. Thanks to my Ishtadevata, Kuladevata, Gramadevata. Thanks to all divine beings. Thanks to Panchabhutas and the space. Thanks to Vamsadevata. Thanks to the divine beings who helped me to energize this water. Thanks to this water for accepting my prayers. Slowly come back. Open your eyes with big smile. Open your eyes with big smile. Atma Namaskara. Now this water is energized. Now this water is absolutely energized. You can drink this water and you can distribute to many as a tirtha. Because one who have the intention to protect others, to protect this universe, is the best qualification to catch hold of, to use this Sudarshana mantra, the Sudarshana Prayoga. In this way, I request everyone to please distribute this water whomever you come across, whomever you wants to heal, whomever you wants to protect them. You can give this water to them. You can teach this technique to them. Share each other, grow together. We together liberate each other. My respected friends who are suffering with any disease can have this water. Who are about to get married can have this water. Who are absolutely leading a happy, peaceful, blissful, absolute divine life can also have this water to continue that happiness. The ladies who are pregnant can really have this water. They can give birth to Vishnu Bhagavan itself. The ladies who wants to give birth to divine child can practice this mantra and have this water. The girls and the boys who want to get married can have this water. Nothing more. Everybody can have this water because the combination of this herb will cleanse the whole body. Thus, our body will become energy. When our energy expands, our thoughts also expands, our conscious also expands, then automatically we get the intention of to protect this Mother Earth, Mother Universe. Thus, by having the good energy, by having the great intention, we are eligible for this Sudarshana Prayoga. If you are unable to chant the full mantra, no problem. Chant only this mantra. Om Sahasrara Hum Fat Swaha. Om Sahasrara Hum Fat Swaha. Om Sahasrara Hum Fat Swaha, Om Sahasrara Hum Fat Swaha. You can chant this mantra. By listening the whole mantra of this video, you can also chant this mantra by catching hold of Chin Mudra, by using this ring finger, by dipping into this water, by chanting Om Sahasrara Hum Fat Swaha, Om Sahasrara Hum Fat Swaha. Thus also you can energize this water. Now you can ask me how much time we have to spend. 5 minutes. With the highest intention, even 1 minute is sufficient because we may have wavering mind. That's why 5 minutes is more than enough to energize this water. Thus, we together liberate each other, share each other.